What is going on, everybody? I hope everyone is doing well. All right, today we are going to be doing the review of the Vevor hydraulic steering. We're just going to get right into it and just start talking about the installation, my thoughts on it, also the product itself, what's next after the installation, how it feels. Yeah, I guess let's just get right into it. And also, I'm really loving this hydrofoil. I miss it. I'm so happy that we went back to it. So you want to go fast. She wants to go fast. Let's go fast. As we're getting out of this marina, a couple of things I guess I can just talk about. As I mentioned in the installation video, the manual is not the greatest. There's a lot of things that I had to kind of figure out on my own, do some more research. And then I came across that one video, C-Star, for their hydraulic steering system, so that was pretty cool. And then again, what made things more stressful was the fact that Vevor was not clear at all in regards to what kind of fluids was needed for the steering system. That can definitely be done a lot better. In regards to the installation itself, was pretty straightforward, and I actually was really nice. There's not a lot of things that, you know, when you're doing, especially when you're retrofitting newer products onto an older project or an older vehicle, older boat, where it doesn't really go that smooth. The only hiccup I actually had was not exactly for the Vevor hydraulic system. It was actually the cable steering that was in the boat originally. I didn't want to take the motor off because that's a pretty big job. So I decided to kind of use a hacksaw or a sawzall to hack off that stainless steel part, which I went through 2 blades. Any of you know that when you're trying to cut or saw through stainless steel, you're going to go through a couple of blades because stainless steel is extremely hard, and it's not exactly the greatest on equipment or on tools. Having the Vevor hydraulic steering system in the boat, it really is a game changer. As you can see, the steering the boat, so easy, so effortlessly. Going through the marina now, like, I'm able to go like as if I'm a pro. Overall, I'm actually pretty happy with it so far. This is the second time we're taking the boat out, and super easy, super nice. And yeah, all the fittings were nice and tight, nothing leaked. So far everything's running really well. Last video I had someone telling me, is there any jiggle or any wiggle in the boat, or sorry, in the motor itself? And no, not at all. So I was actually, you know, I grabbed the motor itself and I tried moving it. There's no way that I can move it, and there's no real play. There's like very minimal play. And then with the steering wheel itself, maybe it's about 1 inch. No, it's less. I want to say maybe 1/2 inch, which is acceptable. I can go ahead and I can bleed the system again, just to get that play kind of gone, which I will. But the season's here. I want to get into this, get into the boat, have fun, and do some fishing and do some family fun activities, which is really cool. So I'm gonna throw also in here, and I said it in the beginning, the hydrofoil. I think every single boat should have it. It's super awesome. All right, we are here out on the lake. We're out of the marina. Let's hit it. There are the geese. Beep beep.